have to dispose of about 35 or 40 partially used cans of paint. I've only got a couple of tubs, and I have to mix the paint 50-50, 1 part paint to 1 part cat litter. So I dump about half of the cans into the tubs to save space. I'll fill the cans with cat litter, and then go back and fill the tubs with cat litter. Once I've got these poured in, I let them sit overnight, and then I get a stick and mix things up a bit. Push the cat litter to the bottom. It's mildly therapeutic. After I've got the containers totally mixed, if there's anything left setting soaking or there are any pools, I drop a little bit more cat litter on. The next day, everything is solid as a rock and I'm ready to throw away. Check out my other weird, strange videos and subscribe to my channel.